Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, 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 ma'am. कोणतं बॅडमिंटन दे ना मला मम्मा.
Hello, good evening, my dear students. How are you all? Fine? That's great. Okay, and now today we are going to learn something amazing. Guess what? Acha, I'm giving you some hints, okay? This is today the thing which we are going to learn, which we all enjoy. Okay, I'm giving you one more hint. For this enjoyment, for enjoying this, we go out at some place with some food, cold drinks, eatables, mattresses, and there we just enjoy, play, and eat. Tell me what? Come on, guess. Okay, one more hint I'm giving. Because of lockdown, we are not able to enjoy this. Tell me what I'm talking about. Yes, it's correct answer. This is picnic. Absolutely correct. Okay. So today we will be learning a drawing of picnic. As you all must be missing picnic, isn't it? Yes, going out, playing there with eatables and all, with family. I know in school picnic with friends and teachers, singing in bus, playing, eating and eating. You must be missing all that. So today I'm going to show you a family picnic. As we can't go out for picnic because of lockdown, so let's enjoy picnic here. And see here, you are going to enjoy picnic with your complete family. Papa, mama, your brother, you, okay? So without delay, let's get started. For this, I'm going to use my file horizontally in sleeping position, okay? Keep your file in sleeping position. Yes. Okay. And now what you do first, with very light pencil, don't make it dark. Just divide this paper horizontally half. Divide it horizontally half. Okay. Don't make this line very dark because this is just a guideline. Okay. This is not final line. This is just a guideline. So I will divide it in half and I will take this kind of cap. If you can make it directly without, those who can't see, they will click on speaker view. Okay. Those who can't see. I'm going to use this kind of cap for making mama and papa's face and a baby, a cute baby I'm going to show in this family. And I will be using this much small circle for making baby's face. Okay. So what I did first, I used my file in sleeping position and I made a rough line and divide my paper in half. Right? Okay. Now, I will keep my paper, my cap on this line here. Okay, here. And draw a circle. Okay, circle. circle. And here I will be going slightly above. Here I want to show mom. So I will be going above this circle, right? Above this circle. Above this line, okay? See, it is almost keeping this line in center, and here the face is slightly above. You can easily see and understand that what ways we are supposed to make circles. I will make my circles little more dark so that you can understand. And see, this is your family picnic, okay? Just feel as if this is your picnic and you are just sitting, enjoying and all. Okay? One circle here, one here. Now take 2 points. Take 2 points. Okay? Yeah, I can see many are making circles. These 2 points, yes. And after this, okay, from here, you will be making slanting line. Okay, you will be making a slanting line. And from here, you will be making a J4 jug. And see, this J4 jug will be smaller than this. J4 jug. Okay. From here, a slanting line. Here, J4 jug. This is last point of J4 jug. This is last point of slanting line. Don't forget to take last point. Come on. Okay, this last point will help you indicating that your next line will start from here. Your next line will start from here this way. Okay? Yes. Now this and this point you will join. Join these 2 points. Okay, as they are showing picnic, we will show everyone is sitting comfortably. Okay, in comfort zone. Yes, so you will be learning different postures also. Okay, here you will be learning different postures of sitting and playing. Okay, they are sitting and enjoying food. Right now, I will be showing this. Take 2 points, 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, you will be taking 2 points, 1 point here, 1 point here. Always mark place from where you are going to start your line. And always take a point in the end of your line, okay? It will give clear indication to you that, yeah, we are supposed to start from here. Okay, now from here, I will be writing J4 jug. See how? Coming straight down, slightly slanting. It's looking like J4 jug. Okay? It's coming straight down and coming here. Last point. Okay? Yes. Okay? Yes. I'm showing you again this point which we have. I'm coming down first. See, it is almost straight. And then slowly you will give curve and it will go slanting. It's looking like a hockey stick, J4 jug. Okay, J is more curved here, but it is straight. Only this much distance. Difference is there, okay? Okay, now come on second point. From here, you all can hear me. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Yes, and see, you know the rule of our class. Whenever you will be showing your thumbs up, you should have lovely smile on your face, okay? Because I believe when you will be happy, then only your drawing will be happy, okay? So whenever I'm asking you to show your thumbs up, you should have a lovely smile, okay? Now come on second point and draw a small straight sleeping line. Straight sleeping line. Okay, this line is going straight. It is coming down, slanting line. Okay, now what I'm going to do, this point and this point I have now, I will be taking a center point. Take a center point. Yes, take a center point. Okay. Yes. And I will be making one more sleeping line. Parallel to this. Sleeping line and join. Okay, it's looking like a rectangle. This line is coming parallel to this line and join. Okay, yes. Yes, now this line which we have now, we will be converting it in L. L for lion. So I will just come down. But see, while coming down, my L is not very sharp. It's blunt from here. L. This is a slanting line from here, L. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now from here, a small sleeping line and a small L. Again, a small L. This is one leg and this is another leg. Okay. This ways we are showing it. A big L, a small L, okay, from here a big L, and from this point a small L. Okay, now here, this line which we have, take 2 points. 1, 2. And this on this line, yeah, one leg is bent. Okay, yes. Take 2 points. Now I want to show feet of this person. So here I will come out and draw L. L. Okay, yes. Take a center line here. Okay, on this, take a center point. Yes, don't forget to take this last point of L. Come on, take this last point of L. Yes, do with me, okay? Now this last point of L and the center line, you will be joining with help of C. C for cat. Come on, join this. Yes. Okay, join it like that. And this second point we have now, from here you will be writing 1. All of you see, from here I will write 1. And join to shoe. Okay, join it to shoe. And this leg is complete. Okay. Yes, this ways, I just want to show posture that one leg is bent, one is this ways. Okay. Yes, I just want to see whether you are getting or not. Please show your work, all of you. I just want to check that, are you getting whatever I'm teaching? Okay, okay, fine. You are getting? Shabash. Yes. Okay, fine. It means whatever I'm teaching, you are able to draw. That's great. Okay. Because in this work, in this picnic drawing, I would like to teach you different postures also. Okay. Till now we learn standing, has hands above and this kind of postures. But here I just want to show some different postures also. Now come here. These are 2 points. Mark these 2 points. Come on. 1, 2. And take one more point here. One more point and see the distance should be same. First take 2 points. One here, 2 points here, 2 points here. Okay. Yes. And now from here, the top line, I will be showing hand back side. Show one hand back side. Okay. And don't forget to take last point. Don't forget to take last point. And from second point, I will be making one more line. Bigger than this, slightly bigger than this. And this is last point. Can you see my video, all of you? Is my video visible? Show thumbs up. Thumbs up with what? Thumbs up with smile. Okay? Keep smiling. Then only you'll be able to make lovely drawings. Okay? Yes. Now see, I made 2 lines. This line which is start from this upper point is small. And this lower point is slightly big. Slightly big. Not very big. Okay? Now from here, come out straight. Come out straight. And take last point. Okay, yeah, now here we want to show everyone sitting in comfortable mood. Okay, so different postures we are learning. Suppose you want to show a beach scene. So then also you can show this kind of people sitting in this posture. Okay, now this point and this point you will be joining. Join.
You know something? I'm really interested in art.
Don't forget to show fingers. Make a line, okay? Yes. See, this is a big, small line. This is a big line, right? And big line is coming straight out. Okay? Now what I did, this point and the small line, the last point I joined. Don't forget to make a line to show division and to show fingers, right? Okay. And have you done it? Show thumbs up if you all have done this. Show your thumbs up. Okay, fine. Now from here, you will be coming straight here. Come on. I want to show an apple, but this posture can be used and we can show one mobile in hand and person is taking selfie. Okay, the postures we are learning can be used at many places. Okay, but here I want to show Papa is giving apple to the younger one, baby in lap of Mama. So this is a hand, last point. Yes, finger part I will be showing again. See, from this top point, I made a line. From this bottom point, I made a line. This is looking like parallel 2 lines. This bottom line is bigger. I came out straight. Now, last point of this and this, I join and draw a line. Okay? And here also, I will be making 2 lines like this. And don't forget to show, try to keep the length of hands equal. Don't make one hand very small and one very big. Okay, it will look very funny. Two points. Okay. Yes, this shoe part, what I did, I draw a L, then I took a point here, I join, and then draw one. Okay, it's that simple. And this we are going to revise for mama and for baby also. Okay, so you will get revision of this. Okay, now these 2 points I have now. This upper point you will be making U, small u. Don't forget to take last point of U. Okay. Yes, see leg part, I just came down slanting line from center point. I draw an L, took a center point, join and join with one. Okay. Okay, let's come back to hand. From top point, I draw a U and took last point. From bottom point, I will be making a C. C. And this is last point of C. Okay. Now see, all of you be very careful and look at what I'm teaching. This last point of C and last point of U, you will join. Join. Last point of U, last point of C. Okay. And don't forget to show lines. Hands. Okay. I'm showing hands. With one hand is sitting comfortably. I will be making 2 lines. From here, I will be making U. From here, I will be making C. I will join, draw a line. Okay. Don't forget to show leaves. From here, cut, draw a line, one here and join. This is sleeves. These are sleeves. Okay, one and join. Please don't send useless messages, okay? Only if you have any question related to drawing, then only you send messages, okay, beta? If those are sending useless messages, okay, they are just typing letters and sending, it is disturbing, and the important messages we are not able to get because of them. So we will remove them from class, okay? See, this is a quality time to learn, okay? So please don't send useless messages. You all are good students, isn't it? Pick up your eraser and erase this line. Focus on learning. Okay, you will be erasing this line because I want to show sleeves. Okay. So first you draw hands and then show sleeves. So it will make your work easy. Okay. First if you will make sleeve first, then hand, so you will find it little complicated. Yes. Yeah, I'm repeating hand. 2 lines. From here I draw U. From here I draw C. I join. I make a line. One sleeve I will be cutting from here. Join it to t-shirt. Okay, from here, slanting line. And this inner line you will erase. This is one sleeve and this is another sleeve. Okay, 2 sleeves are ready. Papa is sitting comfortably. Okay, so this is a very new posture you learned today. And see what we did? We used numbers and letters, right? Yes. And this middle line will help us that where our object will come. Okay? Yes. Let's complete face. I just want to have a look at how the drawing is going on. Please show. Lift up your files. And please show me. Okay? Yes. Are you getting me or not? Yeah, good efforts. Shabash. Very good. It means you're getting and able to do. Many students are not showing their files. Please lift up and hold it for some time, okay? Because when I scroll my screen now, it takes time to reach to you. So please hold it for 2 minutes. Okay, now you can erase this middle line. Okay, this middle line was just to give us guidance that where we will start our faces from. Okay, so you can erase this middle line. Let's complete face of Papa. Okay. Advai, if you can't see me, you can click on speaker view, active speaker view. Click there and you will be able to see me. Take a point on side. Okay, not in center, side. Come on, take a point. Now we are making Papa, father. Okay. And 1 point here. First, you decide points, okay? From where your line will start and where it will reach. So what will happen? It will minimize use of eraser. Otherwise, what you do? You just start making line, then erase, then again, then erase. Just spoil your whole artwork. So always decide that my line will start from here and it will reach here, okay? So I will be making, I will start from here, I will reach here. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Come on, write C 4 times. If you have your, okay? Yeah, next class, we will be doing colors in the same, this drawing, okay? And next time it is going to be mixed media work. Please keep your cotton, earbud, watercolors also ready, okay? With plastic crayons, some part of work we will be doing with watercolors. Okay, so it will help you giving better understanding with watercolors. Now see from here, I will go for a slanting curved line. Come on, go slanting. Okay. And you can show ears. C for cat, where the point is, where hairline is getting finished, not C for cat, for showing ears. C, letter C for showing ears. Okay. Yes. Eyes. Eyes. Yes, for making hair, I took a point on side, then I decide a point here. I draw C 4 times. Okay. And from here, I just go for a curved slanting line. Then in end of these points, I draw C. 2 eyes, I will be making a small nose. Small C for making nose. And as I want to show mustache, this kind of slightly broad lines. Okay. And lines. Father is ready. Okay. And what father is giving to baby? Apple. A big apple we can show in hand. Draw a circle. Yes. Take a point. Take a point. Draw 3, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hai na? We want number 3. 3. And from center, show a line. Okay? Yes. Father is giving apple to baby. Okay? Yes. Now here, I will be making mama. Okay. So what I will be doing? I will be taking 2 points and 2 small slanting lines. Small slanting lines. Okay. See, figures are starting almost same. Here, as I want to show one leg bent, I just show a curve in front. Okay. Yes. If your drawing is smaller than me, it's okay. We will make background and we'll fill. Okay, now from here, you will give a curve and go slanting. Okay, come on. Let's complete mama. And from here also, you will go slanting. Okay, yes. And you will be joining these 2 points. Okay, these are 2 slanting lines. I'm coming slanting, and I will be joining these corners. I will be making this kind of long frock for mama. If your circle of face is bigger than me, it's okay. If slightly smaller than me, then also it's okay. If your figures are slightly bigger than me, it's okay. Smaller than me, then also it's okay. Okay? So don't worry about it. You just focus on the method of how to make line, where the lines will go, which step we are supposed to follow. And I will suggest all of you, you all will be provided with complete recording of class. Okay? So please see at least the method. A revision is very important, right? So if you're not finding time, I can understand you all are busy with your online school classes also. So you just see and go for revision. So method, what line we made first, how we took curve, and everything will get revived in your brain. Okay? Yes, let's get started here. Now what I will be doing, I want to show a baby. Okay, so you can take this kind of small cap or you can make directly. So what I will be doing here, I will be making a baby here. Okay, I just want to show baby in lap of mama. So here I will be making face of baby. Okay, yes. And what I will be doing, as baby's face is in front of mama's face, we will erase all the lines of from face of baby. Yeah. Okay, we will be erasing all the lines from face. Okay, yeah, these are 2 points. From here, slanting line. Okay, this is a small line. It is not a big line. I to see story, we always listen when we do coloring, right? But while making drawing, I keep instructing you, take point here, take point there. Okay, that rhythm are learning. When I start story during this time, just break the rhythm. Okay, the story I will tell you next time. So see, this is a small slanting line. And from here, I will be making a small J for jug. You can suppose circles can be used for object. I draw a J for jug in front. J. This is the last point of J. This is last point of the slanting line. And I will be joining them. Okay. This is a cute, small, very young baby. So from here to here. Join. Okay, join. This J for jug, last point of this, and this slanting line, these 2 points you join. Yes. Okay, done. Show thumbs up if done. All of you. Yes. Now you will be taking 1 point here inside, 1 point here inside. Okay? And I will suggest, please go for revision. I will give you close-up view of this. Okay, now from here, you will be going slanting straight down and coming straight out. It's looking like L. Okay, it's looking like L. Coming down and this line, straight line almost. But the difference is L we write this ways, but here we are writing L this ways. This is only the difference, okay? This is L. And from here also, I will be making a straight line, sleeping line. This is also straight line and this is also straight line. And join. This last point of this, join. Join it. Okay? And see, you will erase lines of Mama's dress from this. Okay? Don't forget to make U here. U. Okay, in t-shirt. And yeah, in Papa's t-shirt also, don't forget to show a U. In Papa's t-shirt also. Okay? So I draw a straight line here. I'm coming straight down and line here, and I will take center point of this line and draw a small line. Okay? Yes. Small line. Okay? Now what you will be doing? Yes. Now legs of baby. See carefully how to make legs. I will be writing 1 3 times. Okay? 1, 1, 1. How? Please see. Slanting line 1. You can erase the lines of frock of Mama. So you will find it easy to understand. 1. Again 1. And from here again 1. See, first line with this center 1 will come to this middle line. Okay? 1, 1, 1. 3 times.
My baby face is oval.
It's okay. If your baby's face is oval, it's okay. If it is square, then also it's okay. Because we all are having different shapes of faces. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now these 3 points which we have, we will join. Join these 3 points. Join these 3 points. See, 1. These are 2 legs. Okay, and I will be writing B. B for boy. As this is a boy now, I will be writing B for making shoes. B. Okay. B for boy. Okay. So this way, the baby sitting in lap of Mama is ready. And baby is very, very young, few months old. So I will be showing J for jug, J, very few, okay? Very little hair on head. Eyes, nose, and a big smile. Okay? They love outing. You know, kids love outing. Even you all must be missing picnic, right? Don't forget to show ears of baby. Okay? Yes. This baby, and what baby want to take? Want to take apple from Papa. Finish it. And take 1 point here, 1 point here. See, you will find the hands of Papa, baby. They are almost same. So what is actually doing? You are doing revision of figure. See, if you will observe, the t-shirt of Papa and baby is same. Even the sitting posture is same. We just change the outfit. Baby is wearing shorts, Papa is wearing pants. So method is almost same. Because of this only I'm telling you, go and see recording. Okay, you all will be getting recording. See recording for very sure. Things will get set. Okay, now from your straight line. Yes. Last point. Okay, now from here also, draw a slanting line. Okay, baby is very excited. Small kids, when they go out, they see different new things. They are very happy. Even you know, when we go to picnic and when we visit different places, we see different things, we feel happy. Take one more point here and here, just below this point. Okay, 1 point below this. 1. From here, 1. Okay. Yes. These are 2 hands, 2 parallel lines. Okay. Now see, I will be showing hands here and you will be getting it better way, that how to make second hand also. See, we have 2 points. Mark 2 points first. Take 2 points. So you will get that from where you will start your. Yes. For babies, can you see my video? Is my video visible? Okay, fine. See, from here, you will be making a U, small U. Okay. And last point, you will be making this line and slanting line. Okay, this ways you will be making lines. And now what you are going to do, you will be making just lines. 1, 2, 3. Make lines only. Okay. Same ways you will be making second hand. Same method. Okay. Now you know the method. From top point, you will be writing U. Okay. And hands open. Show another hand also. Same ways. Okay. And I will show Mama is holding baby with love and care. Okay. So now we will be showing Mama also. Okay. Yes. Here I will be showing 2 points. This Mama's figure. Now let's step on to Mama's figure. I will be showing Mama's hand holding baby. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now from these 2 points, you'll be showing Mama's hands here. Two lines. Okay. You. Now see, this hand will be of this kind. Yes, this ways. Yes, which one? This baby's hand. See, for baby's hand, I made 11. See, this hand is looking like 11. I draw a U from upper point, a slanting line from lower point, and I just made lines. Okay. So this ways I completed hands of Mama. Okay. Okay, I just want to have a look how the work is going on. Please lift up your files and show me, and please hold it for some time, okay? Because when I scroll my screen, now take little time to come to you. Yes, very good. Shabash. Yes, many are busy doing. Please pick up your work and show. Ahil, Ishant. Yes. Okay, very good. Very good. Good efforts. Okay, very good efforts. And you have really justified, and efforts are really praiseworthy because you are learning different postures, different way of sitting. Now, what you will be doing, you will be taking 2 points for making mama's legs. Okay, 1 point here, 1 point here. See, hand we have done, we will be completing legs. 2 lines. You can show 2 lines. Okay, and convert these lines in L. L. Okay, this is also L. L for love. Okay, don't forget to take last line of L, last point of L. Okay, take last point of L. Yes. Now see, you will find that this is division of legs. Okay, same ways as we made Papa's legs, we will be making here. Okay, now take a point here. On this line first, take a point here, take a point here. One line. Okay, and from this point to this point, I will be joining this face. Okay, come on, join it this ways. Okay, very good. Now you will be taking a point here and draw 1. I will be taking shoes and see legs are ready for mama. Okay. So see this beautiful family, loving family. They're enjoying picnic. Okay. Yes. As you can't go out during lockdown, feel as if this is you. This is your mom. Okay. Your sweet memories when you was young. Mama was holding you like this. Papa is offering you apple. This ways you think and enjoy picnic and drawing. Okay. Now take a center point and let's complete your beautiful mom. Okay. Take a point in V. Okay. I will be making very simple and beautiful hairstyle. Okay. Yes. And here you can show ears. Ears of mama. And I want to show mama in ponytail. Okay. Because on picnic, open hair can create trouble. So, S for making ponytail from here, you will be making S for sun. S. Come on, draw S. Okay. And take a point here and join C for cat. You can make a ponytail. Okay. Side ponytail. Eyes, as face is hidden behind, you can just show eyes and a broad smile, a small smile you can see of mama from here. Okay, only this much part of face is visible. Rest complete face is hidden behind baby's face. Okay. Okay, so this is a cute small family. Okay, now we want to show them on a mattress. Okay, because on picnic we just use a mattress, so we will be making a line. Okay, and let's complete. Okay, I will be giving you complete view.
Can I do long hair?
You can make long hair. You can make different hairstyle. If you want to make a big bun, you can show big bun. You can copy your mama's hairstyle. है ना? Yes. So this ways, I just made the simplest. You can try your own style. Okay. And see what I did? I made a line and slanting line here, slanting line here. And this is yes, they're sitting on this. Yes, picnic. Such lovely memories, no? And you all must be missing picnics, isn't it? How many of you are missing picnics these days? Yes, want to go out because since long you're locked in houses, in your house, isn't it? Want to go out, enjoy. Yes. Now I just want to show some eatables. Okay, so first I will be showing a water bottle. So draw 1, 11. Draw 11. If you want to make a pet, you can. Cat or dog, if you want to add. See, if you feel that you have one younger, brother also, so you can just show brother also. You can just show brother standing here behind Papa. है ना? So this ways you can show your brother also if you want to add. So this is your choice, absolutely your choice. But in my drawing, I include only a mama, papa, and cute baby. Okay, this is 11. Join and make it a rectangle. Make it a rectangle. This is a water bottle. And erase this line of mattress. This is a normal rectangle. Okay, this is a normal rectangle. One more 11, small 11 this time. 1, 11. And join. This is a water bottle. Okay. Yes. Now, okay, this is done. Now I just want to show they got more fruits. I will be writing a D, a line and a D. Okay, watermelon. I will be showing watermelon. So this is a capital D, D for dog. Okay, and from these corners, I will be making one more curved line. Okay, they are enjoying sweet watermelon. Okay, D. Use letter D for making watermelon. Okay, and use rectangle shape for making a big water bottle. And they have some bowls in which they are eating something. So for making bowls, also show some lines like this. And these 2 points which we have now. Draw a shape of U. 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 Okay. These are bowls. Just show a flat line so that they can be balanced on. You can show some more apples. You know how to make apples now.
Because she's not able to make like you.
And students, say don't get disheartened. If your drawing is not exactly like me, don't get disheartened. Okay? See, you all will be getting recording of complete class. So before giving outlines, if you feel that somewhere Papa's face is not coming like this, you can again see recording and you can do change wherever you feel that this part I want to change and do it again. Okay? So don't get disheartened. Okay? If your drawing is not exactly like me or somewhere different, because you are learning a different thing, means some postures. Okay? So while learning this, somewhere you must be facing some difficulties, but don't give up. Okay? What you're supposed to say in your heart, you keep saying to your heart, in your heart, I can do it. Okay? I can do it. Okay? Don't give up. Keep saying I can do it and keep trying. Okay? And don't get disheartened, because here, see, the sitting posture is little, because normally we just learn standing postures. But now today we learn this kind of sitting posture also. So please don't get disheartened and keep trying. Okay? And because of this only, I always ask you to smile whenever you are showing your thumbs up. Whatever you are doing, if your drawing is almost like this, it means you have justified with the work. Okay? Yes. So now see, this picnic is ready. If you want to show a basket, you can show a basket. Lots of stuff is there. Just show this kind of rectangle. Okay? If your drawing, what I'm saying, see, if your mat is bigger than me, if your figures are smaller than me, it's okay. If your drawing is looking like my drawing, I'm able to see that, yeah, this is picnic. This is a person who is giving apple. So it means you have justified with your work. If you are making apple and I'm able to understand that this is apple, it means you have justified with the work. When you are making apple and I feel that this is a kite, it means you're going wrong. Okay? So don't think that it should, if your work is not as neat as I made, it means you have done untidy work. No, you are trying, you are learning. Okay? So don't give up. Okay? Now see here, I will be making some green bushes. Okay? Yes, just show this kind of curved line to show a big bush. Okay? Don't get disheartened. Okay? Keep trying, because when I was scrolling and watching, I will scroll and you will also see that you have tried a lot and you have justified. Okay? So what you can do, you can go through recording again, and wherever you feel that somewhere some lines I need to change, you can change. After that, you give outlines. Simple. I will be making a cloud. Okay? Show this kind of curved shape, a big curved shape. And show some birds. Okay? Some birds. M.
Ma'am, when will get recording?
See, we upload recording as soon as we receive. Okay? So maximum 24 hours. And otherwise, if we get it within 1 hour, so we upload it within 1 hour. So you can wait till 24 hours. Okay? Maximum. It happens in very few cases. Otherwise, we upload it very soon. But you are supposed to wait till 24 hours. Because sometimes we also are getting recording late. But as soon as we get, we immediately upload. Okay? So this is your picnic scene. And please don't get disheartened, because today you learn different postures. Okay? Yes, and recording links you will be getting exactly where you get the links to join class. Okay? You visit there, exactly above that, the link of recording is mentioned. Okay? So I just want to see how the work is going on and how it is done. Please lift up your files, all of you. All of you. Yes. Come on. Come little close. Very good. You all can see work of each other. How much you all justified with your work. Shirisha, you made it with sketch pen. We are supposed to make it with pencil first. Okay, Shirisha? Okay, so you will be doing it with pencil again. Okay? With help of, yes, Atharv, show your file. Yeah, little close. Very good, Atharv. Great efforts. Good, good. Very good. You can see work of each other and you all have tried very well. Okay? Yes. Shabash. Keep trying. Keep doing. Recording you all will be getting. Okay? If you feel, if you're unhappy, you feel like to do it again in guidance, this complete recording of class is going to remain with you. So you can try and or you can change wherever you feel like to change. Agamjot. Yes, show me your file, beta. Yes, very good. Agamjot, please show your file. Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, very good. And I really praise efforts. You all can see work of each other. Okay, so see, this is what I can call it your talent. See, whatever challenge you're getting, you're trying to justify. And this spirit you're supposed to maintain. Okay, so whenever you find anything difficult, just close your eyes and say, I can do it. Okay, and pray God, God, give me courage, give me wisdom so that I can do it. And see, you will be able to do it. Don't give up. The moment you give up, you are not able to learn. Okay, so you are not supposed to give up. Keep trying. Okay.
You can add extra thing also.
Okay, if you want to add extra things here in your outing, because this is your picnic. If you feel some cold drink bottle should be here, you can add. Some fruits, you can add. A big ball you want to add, you can add. So whatever you feel like you should have on your picnic, you can add. Okay. So with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. And what is your homework? Your homework is you will pick up your sketch pen and you will move over your lines. Okay, all the lines of pencil, you will move your sketch pen. This is your homework. Okay, the next class, this ways you will move your outlines on your work. Okay, the next class we will be completing coloring in this. You all will fill colors with me. Keep your earbud, watercolors, cotton, plastic crayons. Okay, ready. So and story, a lovely story behind the seed. I will be telling you next time. So with lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Bye, students.